how to make your LinkedIn profile headshot stand out from all the other competition on LinkedIn. Why does your headshot even matter? So one of the things is that people resonate really with other people, and seeing your face on screen will encourage people to interact with you and look at you and look at your content, okay? So the human brain reacts 60,000 times faster with images than it does with words. So your profile photograph is really important. But when you upload a photograph with a busy background, you don't necessarily stand out. So today I'm going to show you how to edit your photograph so you can take out that busy background and help your profile stand out on LinkedIn as a result. My name is Louise Brogan. I am the host of LinkedIn with Louise, and if you would like to follow me on YouTube to keep in touch with lots of weekly tips on how to use LinkedIn for business, then do hit subscribe to the channel. If there are other questions you'd like answered about using LinkedIn, then please do put them in the comments below. I'd love to read them and then create videos that will help answer them for you. Okay, let's get to it. How to create a headshot photograph for your LinkedIn profile that will help you stand out on LinkedIn. We are currently looking at my desktop version of LinkedIn, and I want to show you, first of all, before we go to create the image that I want to help you with, I want to show you why I find it is important to look at for your profile. So your headshot is this part of your profile here. So when we go to my introductory card, it is this piece here. Now I do have a recording of a welcome message there, which you may not have. Go and check out my other video on that here on the channel to see how to get that. But now you can see that my headshot has a white clear background. When you look at my profile down this right hand side, you'll say people you may know. If we're looking at this, when someone has got a background, a busy background behind their profile headshot, they stand out less clearly on the platform. So if we look at another option, let's type in that we're looking for a project manager. And let's see the people that appear in the search results. So see all people results, and let's see who jumps out at us. So as we're scrolling down, you can see various types of headshots in here. And I'm not going to pick out anyone in particular in a negative way, because I don't think that's very helpful. But there aren't a lot of people with a blank background to help them stand out here in their headshots, okay? So how do you get a clean, clear headshot like this? Let's go and find out. We're going to drop across to Canva, which is one of my favorite tools that I use in my business online. And I'm just going to put any post here. So just click create, that we're going to create a blank Instagram post. It doesn't really matter what size here that you use. So we've got a blank post here, and I'm going to go and pick out some headshots. So let's use my lovely guest from last week, Lindsay. I put Lindsay's picture in here. I'm going to pull it out, stretch it out a little tiny bit. And this is what I love about Canva. So if we click on the image of Lindsay, go over and click on Edit Image in the menu, and then we're going to click on Background Remover. Okay, BG Remover. Now you can see it's working on Lindsay's image at the minute. So what we're doing is we're literally removing the background from this picture. So we have got a picture of Lindsay like this. Now we're going to give it a name. So LinkedIn profile image, or headshot maybe. And I'm going to download it. And I click download to my computer. And then I'm going to go across to LinkedIn. Obviously, I'm not going to change my profile to be Lindsay's profile headshot. But if we click on me and go to view profile, then we go to edit on here. So this little edit button here. And this shows you the introduction. So close that. What we want to do is actually edit the picture, view or edit your profile photographs. You click on your current or existing profile photograph, and you can add a photo, upload a photo. We're going to go and find Lindsay's LinkedIn profile. There she is, open, and that's how you change your profile. Now we're going to might zoom in a little bit because we do want a bit of closer view of Lindsay. And then you click on Save Photo, and that is how you upload a headshot, profile headshot for LinkedIn with a nice clear background, which helps you to stand out in amongst all the other people's headshots with the busy backgrounds. If you find this useful, then please do subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts below. What else would you like me to help you with here on the LinkedIn for Louise channel on YouTube? I'd be delighted to help you with your next task or project helping raise your visibility on LinkedIn.